Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. All right, you guys, it's happening. I have my money together for my sinking funds, and let's count up what we have. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2. I have $102. Yay! That's how much I was able to save this past week, or maybe a little bit longer than a week. I'm not certain. What I was trying to do is do a sinking funds cash stuffing either weekly or every other week, depending on how much money I have saved. So I felt like $100 was a pretty solid number to work with. So let's jump in, see what we're gonna end up stuffing, because I did not prepare. So my kiddos have a little bit of cash, nothing left in self-care, because I've been taking care of myself. You know, before starting to actually save and put money aside to actually spend money and enjoy ourselves, I would stress so much. Oh, I need to do this, I need to take care of myself and that type of thing. And this gave me the freedom to do that. I may not be able to put a lot away each week or each month or anything like that. But what I'm able to do, I do try to take care of myself. I really think that's important. All right, so my safety net, I did deplete almost. There's $10 left in there, so I guess not depleted. I did use those funds because I have been taking some time off when I need it. I've mentioned before, we're not even going to go into the chaos and the drama over here. It has been so wild. But what I've decided to do is make sure that no matter how crazy it gets, that I still am taking time for me. I'm taking the moments that I need for me. I am putting myself as a priority for me. And so that part has been really important, especially in these past couple of months where it got really, really intense, and the shift in my life, it's been so crazy. But because of that, safety net does need some funds. It really needs some money. So I'm going to go ahead and add 20 today, and then hopefully we'll be able to complete some more savings challenges and add more money next week. Fingers crossed. Say a prayer. Maybe. We'll see how everything goes. But I wanted to start with safety net so I can see what I'm working with, because I do want to add some funds for my kiddos. Let's add 27. 25, 26, 27. Yes. And they did have some cash left over, which I'm really surprised about. But if they're saving a little bit to hang on for the next week, that's fine with me. We have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Sorry about that, you guys. My kids are playing a game, and it is very, very intense. Yeah. Okay. All right, so self-care. What do I want to give myself for self-care? I think what I'll do is $30. Yeah, let's do $30 for self-care. All right. Wish it was a little bit more, but you know what? I'm grateful for whatever I'm able to do. And I probably will spend it. I was thinking of maybe stacking it up a little bit so I can do something special for myself again like I did before, but no, if I want to use it, I'm going to use it. Car maintenance, let's go ahead and add, how about we add, let's add 20, because I've been trying to keep up with vacuuming out the car, cleaning it out and things like that. And I'm hopeful maybe at some point in the future, maybe not the near future, but in the future I'll be able to purchase a new car. Not a new car, but a cash car. That's my prayer from my family, is that we are able to get another car. So we'll work on it. But we're going to go ahead and add $5 to home. And home now has 15 bucks. What I did last time is there was a sale. You know what? I can't even say it was a sale. There was, people were saying, oh yeah, it's a good sale. I'm not certain what's a good sale and what's not, because I really don't pay attention to the details of sales like that. But I ended up buying this gigantic, I don't even know how many rolls of toilet paper it was, but I went ahead and bought it, and so now we have plenty of toilet paper. But it's amazing having so much. It's nice to have that much toilet paper, I will say. So, do you guys buy anything in bulk? What do you buy in bulk? I usually don't buy anything in bulk because I just feel like it's For me, I'm harder for me to shop that way. I would love to get some things like that you always will need, like toilet tissue, paper towels, laundry detergent, body wash, things like that. I would love to buy those in bulk. Dish soap, because I don't have a dishwasher. I wash my dishes by hand. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for coming back again. I haven't been filming every day, but I've been trying to get in there and film, throughout the week, so you guys can spend some time with me. I appreciate all of you guys coming back by and checking my channel out and staying with me through me trying to figure out what's happening over here, and just being just so kind. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, which should be Freebie Fridays. Fingers crossed. I have a little bit of cash put aside for that, so we'll see. We'll see, but I think it might be Freebie Friday for us, guys. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.